Yo, what's up, guys? Back with another RWT today. Got my eyes. It's 10:58 a.m. right now. I'm gonna get my HH out. Oh. I'm sorry about that, guys. I had to do a text real quick. Send a text. Yeah, I can't talk today. Send a text, not text a text. You know what I mean. So last week there was no RWT. For whatever reason, I don't know. There was no RWT last week, which I'm kind of upset about, but you know, I'll get over it. So I did get a new weather radio. I'm not gonna show it. Bruh! RWT! Right on time! Right on time, baby! Right on time, boys! Let's go! Let's go, boys!
This test is conducted each Wednesday
at
11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted to specific launches, warnings.
Can you guys see it?
In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday.
Let's go! Finally! Let's go. What the? Why is the recon just going off now?
Here is the official National Weather Service warning.
You're a bit late, recon. Shut up. Alright. So, I can go mark that on my calendar, but guys, I was just hanging out, I was talking to y'all, and then I heard the same, like I said, I just heard the same header, and then I heard, so yeah, that's gonna, wrap up the video, I guess. Make sure to like, and I'll see you guys next one. Take care.